Even in darkness, I can keep walking if I stay calm. One small light can change how the darkness feels. I am not alone when others come closer. When we move together, even silence has a rhythm. Together, we shine more than we ever could alone. Our light can become a guide. When the path is clear, fear grows smaller. No light is unimportant. Even when the light leaves, its warmth stays. I carry the light forward. Small lights, when united, can brighten even the darkest paths. Don't forget to follow me for more adventures.